How's the microphone quality?
It sounds good to me. I put
Okay.
a extra filter, so it should cut out a lot of the background and the
Okay.
soft noises.
Yeah, because last time it was a little bit loud. I don't know why, but it should be good now.
Yeah, it sounds pretty solid. Let me compressor, noise gate on, compressor on, or limiter on. All right, yeah. All right. Man. Yeah, you may have to mute it.
No, your stream is in a loop.
It
You're supposed to
is?
go. Yeah. If it's, I don't know if it's just me, but
Okay, let me go. Let me
no,
go
no,
check
it's
it
not. It's
out.
not. It's not. We're good. We're good.
All right.
That's perfect.
All right. Drop the link in the Telegram.
Drop the link, chat. Drop the link. We're trading Nasdaq today.
All right. Where's my phone?
Well,
All
have you
right.
seen the Dow? The Dow looks so ugly.
But, like, the Dow's not even worried about going higher.
Yeah. That's what really like kind of puts me on edge, like you said, man, when like all three assets are doing something else.
Yeah.
So you didn't trade yesterday? Mm. You had like epiphany. You're like, oh shit. Yeah. Dude, did you see Monday like yesterday? That was horrendous. Yeah. And off a random level, like London's high was literally right there. Why didn't it take it? It's crazy. Boom. Tanked. Manual intervention. Yeah. What's your so? Yeah, I was gonna ask you. What's your? What are you thinking? Like, what's your analysis? Yeah. Just basically buy and close your eyes. Yeah, 10 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, these YouTubers, have you noticed, they're all like kind of like not trading as much, and a lot of them are struggling, I've noticed. Yeah. Oh, 1 minute entries. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll tell you, I think in this market, I think that's the most consistent model to trade right there. Wait for a sweep, get in on the 1 minute. Like we said, man, I'm not really like playing around. Like I'm getting in, I'm going break even so quick as soon as like a internal swing high is taken. And that's even if your stops work. Yeah. Wait, what happened yesterday? I didn't even see it on the news. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Just causing emotions. Yeah. Right now we're just rallying higher and higher. Yeah. Higher time frame, bro. I'm not playing around on the lower time frame. Yeah. Yesterday it was a 5 minutes. I gave the break, the change in the state, and then it retested it and it sold off. So that's why like similar to today. No way. Mm. What what's the what how did what did you use to code it, or what did you use to build it? No way. That's sick, man. This is specifically for indicators on TradingView? Oh. Yeah. Damn, that's sick. Yeah. Mm. The trend shift is the short signal? That's a short trend shift. Yeah. 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 You definitely need to tweak that because you're never supposed to short after a swing low is taken out. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hey, it looks good, man. I mean, I know, bro. I've been building a journal. Like I sent you, man. It's hard, man. It's not easy coding. It's layers upon layers upon layers. I ain't got nothing. This thing is just step laddering up, man. Well, let's see 10 a.m. is what 9 minutes away. So I truly believe like that they're trying to take Nasdaq to 30,000 by like maybe June, July. They want us to be trading at 30,000. Yeah. And this correlation between like NAS and ES, like it's pissing me off. I hate when it's like ES Nasdaq has already taken its previous week high and is blown past it while ES is failing. Yep. Mm-hmm. Reading my mind, brother. Oh, anniversary, man. Congratulations. Another year. Oh, that sounds good. She knows how to bake too. Oh. Damn, man. you getting a little you getting a little too excited for some cake, man. I ain't gonna lie. I am a sucker for cinnamon and sugar. So dude, I'm telling you, cinnamon and brown sugar is like the best combination. Oh my god. Busy day. Ba, 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 ba. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Yeah, YM looks like crap. What the heck is this? No, just the market, the structure looks horrible on YM. Oh my. Bro, on YM we've been stuck in the same range since April 19th and we're in May 5th. We've been stuck in the same range. Yeah. This would not be touching that, brother. Have you seen the dollar chart? The dollar index? Yeah, it's been no, it looks horrendous, man. Like it's just straight accumulating. It's not moving. DXY. typically the ground rules have always been when the U.S. dollar is going higher, indices are going lower, and vice versa. They're inverse correlations typically, but recently is that has not been the case. Yeah, yeah. Economics don't match any of this data, which should put you on alert. When rates get cut, stocks rally, but instead they freaking dump when they cut rates, and when they jack up rates, stocks rally. Just nothing makes sense, man. Just tanks. Yeah. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Has been the most consistent strategy. I mean, I'm open to buying, bro. Like, I'm not scared to buy this high, but we just swept previous day high on ES, by the way. Oh no, we haven't. No, we haven't. We're almost very close to sweeping it. Yeah. MNQ. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, if we're gonna be infinite bid mode today, give us a nice little power 3 pullback, and then we'll buy it. Well, it hasn't, which is good. It hasn't taken it yet. Previous day high on ES. Uh, du- 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 du. Unless they drop a bomb, no, brother. Rock. They're all saying that they can only hear me. Yeah.
How about now?
Yo, chat. Can you guys hear Rock?
Should be able to hear me now. Hopefully there's no echo.
Yeah.
There goes the echo. Monitor off. Monitor off. Wait, are you listening to the stream?
Yeah, I'm listening to it.
Okay, yeah, that's why I can hear
echoing.
it. Yeah, okay, we're good then. Wait, are you listening to the stream?
Yeah, I'm listening.
All right, cool. So now I know exactly. All right.
What up? What up?
ES has not tapped this gap. NASDAQ has. very bearish
Ideally,
territory.
yeah, ideally it now flips. We start sweeping out some internal lows, and then we can look for that buy.
Correct. Yeah. I think that's what's about to happen. Bro, I'm about to have some of that cake for breakfast, bro.
No, man, don't do it. Don't do it, man.
bro. It's to the point now where it's like I'm afraid to eat the last slice because then I don't know where I'm gonna get more.
Dude, you're becoming like a full-time trader now, dude. Just eating cake on your computer all day.
Cake for breakfast, blueberry muffins for breakfast, just whatever I can get my hands on.
Blueberry muffins stay undefeated too. I ain't gonna lie. I warm that, dude. I get the muffin. I warm it in the microwave with milk. Oh, dude.
Bro, yep, you get it. You have to put any sweets, especially cakes, in the microwave, bro. Muffins, cakes, cookies, I need them warm.
Yeah, man. The NQ got us talking about desserts. How boring it is right now.
I'm telling you, bro.
Hey, I was gonna give you the journal because I'm gonna launch it soon. I was gonna give you access to it if you want to use it then. But I kind of got into a roadblock. I want to know your thoughts. Oh wow.
What was it? Yeah, don't mind the gremlin.
No, my ears. I had my headphones all the way up.
You can hear it. Hold on, let me add some sort of filter here. Normally it is cut out. But what
No, I can. On the stream it's cut out on my headphones because there's no filter between us. That's why.
Oh, okay.
But it's okay. Don't worry about it.
What was your roadblock?
Yeah, on the AI journal, like I coded everything. Everything's going well. I added like a ton of layers. The only problem that I'm running into is I can't. When people sign up, they can't auto sync. They have to manually import the CSV file. Like every day you trade, you just have to slap it in the app, because the auto syncing is like a crazy hassle and it's very expensive. You think that's like a turn off, or what's your thoughts on it?
I would say, can you that's tough. Can you at least just like upload photos?
Here, I'll show you. You want to see how it works?
Yeah. Here, that'll work. That'll help.
Yeah.
Let me
look.
All right, there it is. So you should be showing now. Yeah.
Yeah. So here's what I've been building. Let me sign in here. Can you see it? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it. Okay, yeah, I can see it. Dark mode.
Yeah, so like I put like a little sessions indicator, like trading rules, daily loss limit, max trade per day, today's intention, behaviors to avoid, and then you begin your session for the day. And then so here's the issue, right? So the trades, when you're logging trades, I can't sync the broker to the journal, so you have to hit the import and then use the file, and then you just like upload the file, which is right here, like this file. I upload it, and there you go. Now all the trades got
Okay.
uploaded.
Can you do like for your file? Does it give you only a single trading day, or can you do like a week's worth in one file?
Every No, you can export the whole year to date, and it'll put everything in here.
Oh yeah, that's fine then. Yeah, because
Yeah,
that was pretty simple. You know,
yeah,
wasn't too complicated.
yeah, and it shows it shows like I added this little AI blah, 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 analyst trade right here for the last 30 days. You can like run it. This is like your pattern recognition, total trades, risk portfolio,
Revenge
trading
trading.
patterns.
Poor, yeah, that's fire. I
Oh, these are
remember.
legit my stats also, by the way, for like the past week. So
Were you able to figure out some sort of lockout? I think that personally, that's the number one feature for me. That lockout button
well, the thing is, lockout buttons are
on
only
your broker, right?
through your broker. They don't allow third parties to lock you out of
Oh, okay, okay.
your broker. Yeah, it's they have a very strict law. Like, what's the rules? So
Okay.
yeah,
Good. Then yeah,
safety
if
and
I would say that's probably everything I could think of.
yeah.
Um,
Yeah, but this is how it looks. If you want to use it, bro, I'll let you use it. I want like
so
you to try it out, see how it is.
does it show like I'm a big photo guy. Can I put a photo of whatever trade is being logged? Like if there's a short, I want to be able to just click on the trade and see the short that I took.
So if you log a trade, you want to like add. Oh, that's a good idea. Like you want to add like a picture.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So like you see right here, like this short I took.
Hmm.
Like you want to be able to see not only the analysis of the AI discipline execution, but an actual picture of
An actual
your
picture,
trade.
yeah.
Yeah, I can do that. I can add that.
You know, like that's just like a quick recap type of vibe. You know what I mean? Like if I'm like, oh, what trade did I take yesterday? I can go click on it and be like, oh yeah, I did buy here or I did short here when my stop there. Good trade
Yeah.
or bad trade. I was
Yeah.
supposed to enter a little bit before. You know what I mean? Just
Yeah.
that's typically
No,
how I
definitely.
journal.
See, now that's why I wanted your input. That's a great idea. I'm gonna add that to the journal.
Yeah, that'd
So
be
like you're
fire.
going back like yesterday, you're like, okay, what did I take yesterday? A short or a long, and then you just click on it, and then you see what went wrong.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna add that. Thanks for the input.
That would be yeah. Other than that, bro, it looks clean, bro. I love that regular Joes like us who don't know how to code can make stuff like this now. That's so cool.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, vibe coding is the next like big thing right now going on.
Facts. For real, mess around and make a legitimate resource or legitimate app.
I did all this with all of the AI, guiding me through the steps and helping me.
Perfect.
You can make anything you want to.
Yeah, I know. I trust me. I'm just waiting on a good idea. I've decided to just try the indicator route because I understand that sometimes I miss my indication. And if I can have an AI assistant that thinks just like me, where it's like, oh, this is a good signal here. I want it to pop up on my screen,
Mm.
and then maybe, like you said, I don't know, a journal, but hasn't really come to me yet, so I don't really know what else to create.
Yeah. Well, in terms of the niche that you want to target, which is our trading, like world day traders, right?
Yeah,
So the reason why I went down the journal route because I'm like, okay, everyone what is something that everyone has like problem. They all have revenge trading. They have FOMO. They have over trading. Like everyone, these are these
That's typical,
obstacles that they're
yeah.
trying to. Yeah, like if they can have a little help with something that can like coach them live, like, hey, you're over trading. That's like a good idea, you know?
Yeah. Exactly. You have someone telling you like, yo, what are you doing right now?
Yeah, you took 3 trades in the past 2 minutes. What are you doing, dog?
Exactly.
Oh, whoa, whoa! Look at that.
There it is, right?
There it is.
Wait, let's make sure that's not news, because this is where you'll get a clean sweep and flip bullish if we're still bullish. Financial juice has been really solid lately. No crazy alert. No, yeah.
Financial juice. Let's go. Come on, bro. Sweep out all these internal lows. Give us a nice little long.
Literally, it's something simple, right? And I think we close. Okay, so 15 minutes left until this 30-minute candle closes. We got a decent drive on NAS. But honestly, bro, if we get too weak here, I would look for the short off of that SMT, off of that last drive higher, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because previous day high got swept now. So
Yep.
now
A lot of seller pressure.
longs is I don't wanna be
Secondary.
famous. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Let me see what's it looking like.
Yeah, so what I'm looking at, I should get some sort of indication here, maybe. Oh, we need a strong
Oh
close.
yeah, this 5-minute flip.
And then I would just target. Oh, it's gonna run here. I would target underneath 930 because 930, like we mentioned, did not offer any sweep lower, no power of 3. So if we're bearish, we'll definitely get up underneath that 930 swing.
I like that. I like it.
Yeah, we're chilling. Let's see.
I would target that 930 open.
Correct.
Yeah.
Tapping into this gap now for ES, 15-minute gap. So let's see what happens. Nice. I'm definitely gonna see what Tanya and the others. Oh, look at that. People already drawing up shorts, bro. They're not waiting. Look, this kid here. Let me post it. He's pretty solid. I've been watching him for maybe a month.
Yeah, I don't know who you're talking about, but yes,
trust me.
Post it.
I have no idea who he is either, bro. He just trades ICT, and I saw him on YouTube. He's looking for a tap back into that 1 minute breaker for a short. Which isn't terrible, right? You can make an argument for that. I like this SMT off of this high here. 10 a.m. opens, fails to make a new high on NAS, makes a new high on ES, takes out that previous daily high.
Oh, you're talking about this 30-minute SMT?
Yeah. It's on the lower time frame too. You'll see right after 10 a.m. ES expands pretty nicely. NASDAQ accumulates. And now we're getting this break lower. Let's see. This is tough though, bro. Dude. Oil looks pretty strong too, bro. Open 10 a.m. 9:30. Look, he's filled in on the short. No hesitation. I don't know. Let's see how this retrace holds up here.
No, I don't agree with the short.
Yeah, not yet, right? I feel like we held this low here. on ES. This 10 a.m. low just got swept. We'll see though.
Bro, Financial Juice's UI is
Oh,
so ugly.
he's look at
Oh,
that. Let
he's
me
cooking.
let me check this news, bro. Something's not right. I don't like stuff like that, bro.
No.
Daddy, I saw Jesse and Master's Galaxy. Jesse and Master's Galaxy from Toy Story.
Oh, okay.
That was so funny.
What?
So Buzz Lightyear, Nemo, and just
I don't see any news, so maybe that was just an excellent pivot for shorts.
That's a pivot. Well, if we get this 5-minute change in the state, then more and more likely shorts is the move. But if it fails to close lower here, then you basically have to buy it.
Exactly. Exactly. There you go. It's that simple at times, right? If it doesn't want to go lower right now, then it wants higher. Are we tapping into anything bullish here? 15-minute gap, 1-minute order block.
Financial Juice's UI is so ugly, bro. I don't know how people
Bro,
get
it's
this.
so ugly. Trust me, I definitely agree. You just have to get used to it, I guess. May 5th, it says UAE air defense system responding to missiles and drone threats. Okay, that's what this is. 10/14, UAE air defense systems responding to a missile threat. Bro, they're fighting right now, bro. You see that?
So, no, I don't see this. Where are you seeing this?
So if you're on Financial Juice, the main data feed is in the middle, and then you got the scheduled news events are to your left. So if you look down the middle here, I'll copy it right now. Paste it.
Because the chart's so weird, like this.
So like this is the middle, right? You see all these weird ads or fear greed stuff, and then right up under it, you'll see these alerts: UAE air defense 10/15.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. 10,
So shorts may be the play.
U.S. air defense systems.
Did I know how to or
Pakistan forms.
All right, buddy. Yeah, starting to look like we might get another sell-off here, bro. I'm just waiting on a strong close over here on. Okay, yeah. I might be able to use this. Hold on. 2-minute chart. I was gonna say we should get a bearish shift here shortly. We got a bearish indication here, but I'm looking for that closure on ES too, bro.
Yeah, I like the SMT. So like, I like SMTs with this high. I like how we've got the change in the state on the 5-minute. Oh, sorry, 3-minute. So,
Bro, this might try to run. Wait, we just took out that 930 low. Did we? No, we didn't. Where's 930?
no, we haven't.
Yeah, no, we didn't.
Yeah.
It's here. Why would I put that there?
The problem I have with this trade is what are you gonna target? 930 low?
Yeah, I would target those 930 lows for sure.
But these aren't equal lows, are they? Let me see.
No, if I'm targeting it, it would just be because
970?
the 9 oh yeah, those are equal lows.
970?
Yeah. Those are definitely equal lows down there.
Yeah, I would target that if I was shorting this right now.
All right, let's see. Starting to rip back higher here, huh?
Yeah, your boy Benjamin.
He got stopped break even. He's smart enough to go break even.
See? Look at that.
Uh-oh, we're getting this trend shift here. This might be a valid play. I like this. Just don't take this high yet. If it takes this high, I can't really Yeah, I might be able to play this trend shift candle here. If this can survive, I'll look to long this. Gave it a fair chance to go lower. It fails to go lower. Gives you SMT on this drive inside here. All right, let me double check. Yeah, definite SMT. This low was taken out here. Yeah, definite SMT.
Yeah.
Close through. Yeah. This is tough though, bro. I hate buying close to these highs like this, bro, because you're gonna buy it and it's gonna take this high and it's gonna sell off.
Yeah, this isn't really my strategy, to be honest with you.
Yeah, this is trash.
I don't trade like this. Yeah.
All I'm looking at is we fill this 15-minute. We fail to go lower. 9:30 shows you no interest to go lower. 10 a.m. opens lower, fills into this 15-minute gap, and you get a clean market structure shift with SMT inside of that 15-minute bullish. So that's a natural continuation pattern. The question is, how far is it going to continue? I could almost guarantee you we're going to take this high, but I don't know what's going to happen.
I would. Yeah, it looks pretty bullish.
I can't trade it now. We just took the high. I'd have to wait for another signal, but this would be, if this trend shift happened a little deeper in discount, I would be buying this and holding it for this high. As you can see, the high gets taken instantly, so there's nothing left for me to target here. But that's the trade. That's going to be the trade every time. Higher time frame area, sweep, SMT, market structure shift. Yeah. There goes the push. Yep. Yeah, you can't. There's nothing you can do here. Unless you want to risk it and buy it here. Stop underneath 10 a.m. and just hope it keeps going. But I'll just wait. Yeah, this is the trade we've been taking, bro. The 1 minute market structure shift from a higher time frame zone. SMT using that power of 3. Let the market tell you which way it wants to go. 9:30 told you it didn't want to go lower. 10 a.m. told you it wanted to go lower but failed and shifted. So that's a clean power of 3. Accumulate, manipulate. And then now that we take this high, the objective has been reached. So now you just sit back and hope for another algorithmic either pullback and continuation or market structure shift lower.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, there's nothing to do now. Taking out these session highs. We still have that all-time high for ES, bro. So part of me's probably going to be upset if this keeps going all the way up to that high, because that's like the only target left.
27,300 is the all-time high.
Yep.
Which,
yeah, if this wasn't taking out this swing high here, this would be super clean here.
Yeah, just buy it right here.
But you're likely to see some sort of dip here, hopefully. And maybe you get another chance to buy it.
Yeah, if we pull back and we get another chance, I'll take a jab at it, the longs. Like, I'll get in. The 5 minute fair value gap and just ride it up to the previous week high.
Nice. Yeah.
The market needs liquidity. I agree, Sonnet.
And we're starting to get this 5 minute trend shift where you get that drive, break structure, strong close through. Yeah, another retest into here would be, first of all, you want to see ES complete this 5 minute close. You don't want to see a wick.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we're both on. It's good we're on the same page. No wick closures on the 5 minute. Need a strong close and a retest.
Facts. But it's funny, bro. I've been looking at my notes over the past like year and a half. It's just amazing how like trading evolves. Like I don't think there's ever been like a full year where my strategy stayed the exact same all year long. It's like small fixes here, small fix there. Cut that out. Don't do that. Do this. But it's all built around like that power of three narrative.
Hmm. The psychology, like the fundamentals of your trading foundation changes. You're saying, or the fundamentals stay
So
the
like
same?
yeah, the fundamentals stay the same. It's just like how do you want to enter? How do you want to place your stop? How do you want,
Ah,
you know what I mean? Like the small things like it's easy to be like, "Oh yeah, this is bullish," but where are you going to get in? Where are you going to put your stop? Is that okay? Is that working for you? Are you getting stopped out or whatever the case may be?
it makes you think. Like, what the hell is what causes the
There you go.
algorithm?
Exactly. It makes you wonder what is really fueling these markets. And that's where I've come to the conclusion like there's no one right answer. It's just you need to be able to see what's happening today. It's that simple because today is going to be different than yesterday. You might get a couple trading sessions that are similar over the week, but in general, what are you seeing today that convinces you that price wants to go here or there? And you need some sort of like foundation to just stand on.
So this is what I'm eyeing on here, Rock. Uh, Something like this.
Nice pullback to that 5-minute inversion.
Yeah. Just a continuation trade. That's all it is.
Correct. Yep.
Gap needs to get respected, and then basically buy it and ride it up to the all-time highs with on ES.
Correct. Yep. YM starting a trend now, showing a little bit of life. Those are going to give you the best moves when all three can make the same expansion. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, looks good. Now, can you pull back for us, please? Pretty please.
Nice. Beautiful trend shift to the upside. That's what you call a trend shift. When you see higher time frame levels get swept, price attempts to go lower, hit some sort of higher time frame rejection, and then shifts quickly back to the upside. That's clean. Only sad part is, like I mentioned, we take this high before pulling back, so you just got to be careful. Wait for a pullback here.
I'm super de-risked, by the way. I'm not risking like $500-$600 a trade in this market condition. Hell no.
Let's check financial juice here, see if there's anything stupid going on. We have boom, boom, nothing crazy. All right. This is crazy. It says the Trump administration is now up 420% on their investments since August 2025, with an unrealized gain of over 40 billion.
Holy shit.
Bro, it's like maybe we're doing the wrong thing, bro. We need to be trying to run for president, bro. Bro.
Or maybe you have a billionaire family, yeah.
Or even just Congress, like, bro, get in there. They are insider trading their bank accounts through the roof, bro. Oh my goodness, $40 billion since 2025. It's only a year, bro.
Dude, he's enriching his family like crazy.
That's so sad, bro. Like, I really do feel like I could be a good congressman.
Yeah, sure.
If-
Anyone can.
but those people, they're like well polished. Like they go get 2 bachelors, serve the community. You know,
Yeah.
they have a lot they need to take care of. But I guess it's worth it when you can get in there and insider trade. That's unbelievable.
Yeah. So Tom's IPOing tomorrow, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
let's buy them.
Don't pay me this month. Just put my salary on
Yeah.
the Intel stock.
Scumbags. Ugh. All right. Oh, my chart looks funky. There we go. All right.
Yeah.
NQ is way stronger than ES, and NQ has not tapped into that 5-minute.
Yeah, it's accumulating right above that gap. It should dip, ideally. This is tough, bro. If we weren't so high up, I would be in a buy right now. This is a beautiful shift. It's just not. There's no risk to reward here. You don't know what to target on NAS. Yes,
This is where
maybe.
deviation levels come in. Like you measure deviated levels and target the one deviation.
Alright, so if you're targeting that deviation, you got this drive into here. So you would say that this low at 1015 is your manipulation, right?
Yeah. So whatever manipulation, you measure the deviation of the manipulation to the upside or downside, vice versa.
All right.
That's
So
how you
it would
gauge.
look like this. You got the highs here. So the one standard would be at 28,186 for NAS.
Yeah.
Looks like it's on the way.
And then I measured ES's deviation. It lines up exactly with previous week high. So.
Oh, nice. All right. And then you got ES is weaker, so ES filling into this gap here.
But here's what's kind of like thinking me, okay? Like kind of like maybe just like that. Yeah, on ES, do you see ES's chart?
Yeah.
Is it gonna wanna? Here's the question, right? The $1 million question: is it gonna, since we're trading all-time high, is it gonna wanna just go there right now, to previous week high, and just take it out right away? But do you see all of this generated liquidity that's been building up?
Yeah.
Is it gonna want to sweep that first? What do you think?
So it's all about momentum, right? If we take out a high and we attempt to go lower and we just completely fail to go lower like we just saw, those are signs that the momentum is just really bullish.
Yeah.
So if you can just wait for a subtle pullback, it'll give you a bottom. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Just wait for it to put in a bottom. So far, ES is in this gap. We have a 30-minute candle closure and, 23 minutes, so that's not a factor. Yeah, I would say that 5-minute gap you're talking about, that's the key here. Either ES is going to push down, sleep out those 5-minute lows, and then ES pull down NASDAQ with it. NASDAQ fills that gap, right? You get SMT off of something inside of this pullback. That would be probably the cleanest approach here.
That's bread and butter right there. If we get that set up.
Yeah, that would be clean.
Let me full port that.
Here we go. Yeah, good move here. It's 10:37. Like we mentioned, a new 30-minute candle is open. Let's see if we can get a decent 30-minute drive here. There we go. Gap being filled. Nice. There's no way that's a trend shift. Oh, there is, bro.
Hmm.
It's starting to shift bearish off of this high here. Notice NASDAQ makes that subtle sweep at 1036 of those accumulated highs up there.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got ES nowhere near that high.
Oh, good spot. Good spot, actually. Hold on a
Beautiful,
sec.
beautiful here. And then you can start targeting things like these lows.
5-minute inversion short.
For real, literally.
I'm down.
Yeah, that could be as simple as it gets here. Especially with that war talk on the table, shorts, all-time highs, no pullbacks all morning, 9:30 failed to pull back, 10 a.m. gives you a subtle pullback, but then we take out highs. Now it could completely flip on them. I'm going to start looking at these shorts, bro. Let's see. All right, here we go. Here we go. Trend shift confirmed.
Hey, don't marry your signal, by the way, bro. I feel like you're getting a little excited.
Bro, if you've seen these shifts lately, these are free money, bro. Especially coming off of a higher time frame sweep, right? So I would prefer the short compared to longing just because we've already taken out so many highs, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if we get this retest, it all comes down to the retest for me. So if we push back into this yellow area and completely reject this EMA and just show more bearishness, I'm gonna short that and target like these lows here. Where was this?
Only problem is we don't have SMT, bro. That's like what's like the only missing. It's like A setup, but not A plus.
So if you look at that 5-minute, there's 5-minute SMT. If you look at the 15-minute, there's 15-minute SMT. Just look at the most recent high.
Oh yeah, there is right here.
It's just a matter of this retest. Watch. If I'm wrong, you know what I mean. It's the first trade, but it's gonna be obvious if we slam lower here. I'm gonna short this.
So 5-minute got inversed on ES.
Yeah, I would trade ES lower. And then we got this. The next key would be 930 price. How has price been so far? We tap into it twice. Haven't broken it yet, so I would just target 930. Look for a reaction there. Yeah, I'm gonna probably short this. A close underneath this weekly open here. I'm gonna short this with a 6-point stop.
Let's see, brother.
Yeah, let's see if we get a strong close. We're just looking for this retest to survive here. So far,
I want to see this gap. I need this gap to get flipped, and then I'll short it.
So far, we're retesting nicely. Yeah, I like this. Let's see. I just don't want it to fake me out. If you're gonna give me a close underneath this weekly open, back underneath 10 a.m., just do it and go lower. Don't close underneath it and then start going back higher, bro. I ain't got time for that. All right, there we go. Starting to invalidate. There we go.
Yeah.
Starting to invalidate.
Long as it is.
Weekly open. Look at that volume.
Yeah, dude. It's just too strong.
Look at that volume. That's beautiful. Yeah. That's why I love me a good retest here. This is
exactly what you want to see for longs.
Yeah. See if we can flip these 1-minute bearish gaps.
Yeah.
Tanya is on stream doing push-ups and they are terrible for him.
No fucking way.
Bro, stop this, bro. Somebody call the police.
Someone must have went off on her, like, hey, go do some.
What is she doing? Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. I want to see lower though, bro. I can't buy up here, bro. I'd rather just let the buys go without me.
I see. I mean, shit, if you got tons of trades doing push-ups on stream, I should tell you something.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but she's done now. She did like 3 girl push-ups. This is nice. Let's see if we reject here. This previous daily
This is
high.
so. Ah man, this is so high. Just buying from.
Yeah, bro. I'm okay with missing the buys today. Unless we get like a deep sweep and then we get a discounted entry, that's fire. Cause now I can hold my trade with good risk to reward. No real fear. But you buy up here, bro, you can get wigged out and it can still be as bullish as possible. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If we reject here and we invert this bullish push up, because look, if you notice, I'm looking at this specific candle here, this bearish candle. Notice we are not closing through it. That's what I like to see here. That is what I like to see. But if we close through it, I'm not shorting. Shorts are dead. And there goes your closure. Yeah, not shorting it. Kill that. Kill that, kill that, kill that.
On what?
I was looking at, can you see my chart? Yeah. I was looking at, oh, bro, it's still.
No, it's still alive. It's just still good. Just give it a second.
Bro, what is this doing?
This is the two scenarios.
There goes some selling pressure, kid. That is what you call a clean. Is there news behind this? Bro, look at this, bro. What's the point of all these weird bounces if we're just gonna slam off of? Yeah, let me get ready, bro. This has to go short. Give me a short underneath 10 a.m., bro. 6 point stop. Not
Yeah, I'm gonna
even
short
5
this
a.m.
right now.
Yeah, not even 6.
Well, actually, no, it needs to flip.
let me
You
do
need to
this.
flip this gap. 33 handle stop.
Yeah, let's see. 9:30.
33 handles. Are we crazy for shorting all-time highs, Brock?
Nah, bro. It's a narrative that makes sense here. You gotta take it. 40 clear. 1, 2, 10. So we go 20. Not even. We go like 15 here. 15 micros on ES. I'm looking for a closure underneath 10 a.m. and I'm short. 15 micros.
15 micro?
On ES, not NASDAQ. Huh? You did what? So pick it up. Look at that. 10 a.m. still holding here. That's strange, bro. Why play so many games here?
Oh.
What do you think? You pulling the trigger yet? I think I'm gonna short this.
No.
bro.
I'm waiting until this gap gets flipped right here. If you see my chart, once this gap gets flipped, I'm pulling the trigger.
Let me see your chart.
Waiting for this gap right here to get flipped.
Okay, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
The first presented fair value gap.
Okay. I'm looking for shorts around 7224.25.
I got this.
6 point start. What is it? Bro, this little boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Let me go see if other streamers are longing or shorting this. I want to see if I'm.
So far.
Okay,
your
yeah,
boy.
Rock is already in a short. I think is already in a short. Okay, I like it.
Who?
Kane, he's already in a
Oh,
short.
Kane. Where'd he short at?
Yeah, he shorted the top. He shorted 114, like the top. I don't know how he got filled up there.
He probably just waited for like a 30-second inversion or
Yeah.
something.
Me, I need extra layer of confluence, which is this swing low right here to get. We need to change in the state. You can tell. It's
Oh.
okay. Here we go. All right. I'm in
Oh,
these.
I don't know what's up with these spikes, bro.
I'm gonna get in these as soon as we close below.
Bro, look at this, bro. I don't know if I want to trade this, bro.
Now I'm
What?
waiting.
I just don't get what's up with all the irky jerky. If we're bearish, just go lower. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, bro. This
Get
isn't
me out of that. This is trash.
I'm not really feeling any sense of urgency to go lower here. It just seems to
Yeah.
pretend to be bearish, and then yeah. Pretending to be bearish. What do we tap into though? Oh yeah, this weekly open, yeah. Weekly open, NASDAQ tapping into that 10 a.m. price. Yeah, let's see if we can get a flip back bullish here. This will be my last chance for price to go bearish. If we fail here, I'm looking for a buy, and I'm not worried about a pullback because price clearly doesn't want to go lower. So let's see. Still nothing, but so close to a sell entry. So close, bro. It's like it's bearish, but it won't go lower.
Yeah. Come on, dude. You know you want to go lower.
All right, if we get back underneath here, I'm gonna short this and just let this one play out. That'll be my first trade of the day. Let's see. Watching this weekly open again here. What price would this be? 72.74. Decent, but nah. It's wicking this weekly open like way too much, bro.
No.
Way too much, bro. Yeah, I don't think it's worth it because it's
I
playing
think we
games.
should. I think looking for buys is probably your best option.
Yeah, look at it, just irky jerk. The no short zone here. Why does it do stuff like this, bro? Is it because we're watching the 1 minute? Yeah, let's get off that 1 minute. Get off that 1 minute, bro. It looks so bearish though, bro. You know what? Watch this. I'm not afraid, bro. Give me this short. I'm in the short, bro. I'm in the short because why not? Why not short this?
Well, that's not good, bro. You gotta
Bro,
follow your game plan.
Nah, bro, we got this the trend shift bearish. We got respect of this yellow zone. The only thing that's making me nervous is this weekly open price. But if we can stay underneath 10 a.m., I don't see any reason why this won't just dump. So let's see if we can catch this flash crash lower. Let's see. This will be my first jab, so can't be too hard on myself if this one isn't what I'm looking for. But if I had to check off my list, bro, everything's there. We swept higher time frame. We got SMT off the higher time frame. We got the 1 minute shift, and we're respecting this yellow zone, which is where I would want to see price respect. So it's just a matter of does it go lower or not. Stop yelling, buddy. Does it go lower or does it scam me out here? Did we put any SMT off of anything in here? No. I think we go lower, bro. EMA support, let's see. Oh, let me go check on this little kid here. He looks like he got some food out of the kitchen. Stops are in. Yeah, everything's in. I'm chilling. I'll be right back.
All right, see you, bro. This look got swept. Yeah, guys. So Rock's in these shorts right now. He's in at. Oh yeah, you gotta switch his screens. Rock, you gotta switch your screens. Oh, there we go. Oh. Yo, you back, Rock?
Oh, my bad. Mike was muted. Yeah. I just heard my alerts go off. This little boy just took a box of rice and ripped it and threw it everywhere. So,
No way.
so yeah. But I heard the alert go off. We got price breaking through here now, but somehow NASDAQ is still underneath. I don't know. ES was supposed to be weaker, so this should be a sign that NASDAQ should flip bullish any second now.
Yeah, I'm in these longs right now.
Hold on, let me take a look. What's your entry?
I got in at 104, but my stop's at
104.
76.
Underneath those lows? Yeah.
Yeah, so
All right. Yeah.
I decided just give in on the longs, bro. I can't.
Yeah, that right.
Trying
Yeah.
to short this.
Yeah, that's all I needed to see. That fell. We got underneath. Like I said, I would hope that it won't close underneath this weekly open and then go against me. That's exactly what it did. Because I was just waiting on that closure. It gave me a 1 minute closure, which is, doesn't really mean much.
Yeah.
But 1 minute closure flips back bullish. I'm looking for a potential entry here on NASDAQ as well. See if we can start breaking these short-term highs here.
Yeah, we really need to get above this 5-minute high, bro. Like ASAP. Like it needs to go now. Like, come on.
YM pushing. Yeah, it'll start moving here shortly. Let's see. Yeah, I'll drop one more trade here. See if that plays out for me here. Let's see. Push lower, tap into here. I'm just not seeing any real energy on NASDAQ just yet. Could be on the way, right? So let's see what happens. There it is. There goes that speed. Yeah, I'm in a long NAS here. We need to see. We need to see something here though. We close through here. Yeah, just long this right now. Stop underneath here. Target these highs. I'm gonna go long at 110 here. Yeah, we're chilling. Stops underneath 10 a.m. 30-point stop. And you're just looking for a new high of day. 1.2 R. 18 would be too much. Like an 8-point stop. I mean 8 contracts, 7 contracts at the most. Yeah. 7 cons there on the NASDAQ. I'm in there too, bro, at 114-ish.
Yeah, I'm gonna not fight the trend,
I'm hoping that this we can blow past this high, bro. This high right here is not that far away, but
that high is gonna be my break even. I told you I'm gonna go break even so quick.
Smart,
on this trade.
Facts. Break even at that high won't be bad at all. Stops underneath here.
And if ES takes that high, I'm going to break even immediately.
See, that's the sad part. Like, why is ES taking the lead here unless there's a lot further we want to go? I think ES is going for those all-time highs, bro. That should be in ES. That should be the trade here. ES gave you the sleep. ES should be the leader because NASDAQ doesn't really have much to target, bro. ES should be, I guess, NASDAQ leading the way, right? You got ES pushing towards all-time highs, and then you got YM that still needs to make a rally as well.
The thing is, just doesn't make sense to me. Does it want to do it today on a Tuesday, May 5th? go up and take out those all-time highs? Like we still have the rest of the week.
I'm thinking that, bro, to be honest, the market is behind schedule based on that news yesterday that caused it to sell off for no reason.
Yeah.
And then now it's trying to catch up because these pullbacks are very shallow. This is a good sign that price really wants higher.
Yeah, so my take
There we
profit
go.
here,
Good
guys, is
speed.
gonna
Yeah.
be right
Good speed there.
28188. 28188.
How about that deviation, bro? That deviation is the target, right?
Yeah, 188. Oh, god damn it.
That's pretty far away. That could be solid. Here goes the unnecessary pullbacks. What you got, buddy?
Yeah, I have my deviation levels set, so I am writing this. As soon as I go break even, I'm just gonna take a nice deep breath and go on. Because there's no reason this should.
Yeah, bro. I'm looking at this structure down in here, right? Where would a protected low be?
Are
We
you
got-
are you gonna get in long soon?
Oh yeah, I got in at 116-ish on
Okay.
NAS, which I kind of regret. I should have bought ES, but I think both of them have a lot more upside. It's just ES is the one that hasn't taken all-time highs, right? So
Yeah.
here goes these unnecessary pullbacks once again. But I'm looking at ES. I'm like, where is that manipulation? Where's that SMT after we tapped into that 10 a.m. price, right? I think this would be it right here. Yeah, definitely. So NASDAQ takes this low here. Yeah, that's definitely it. NASDAQ takes this low. There's your SMT. We flip this high. Yeah. This is where you want to see structure maintain right here. This 1104 candle, that expansion, you don't want to see that fail. If that fails, I may cut it for a small loss here, but it should hold if we're truly bullish, bro.
I'm just assuming a lot of tomfoolery right now, so I'm just gonna assume.
It should rip off of this. Here, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Exactly what
Yes.
candle I'm watching here. Because once we failed to go lower underneath 10 a.m., the first market structure shift was here for NASDAQ at 1104.
Yeah.
Well, that was the second one, actually. The first one was in front of it. And then you see how that candle held up?
Yeah.
This 1054 candle held up perfectly. That's what you want to see if you're bullish. And then now this next expansion, I want to see this next bullish candle here hold up, survive the retest, EMA support, and then just rip higher. That would be it.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
That would be all I would expect here. And like I mentioned, ES is technically stronger right now based off of this 1053 move here. Failed to sweep any low. NASDAQ sweeps the lows.
So,
Let's see.
what was I gonna say? So far it is looking. We have what is it called? When it hasn't taken out that swing high
Right. That's the
on
target.
both ES and NQ. So that's minimum, bare minimum target.
Yeah, as long as these levels hold up, it'll get there. If we start, like I said, we start closing back underneath this EMA and closing underneath these bullish gaps,
Yeah.
that's not a good look. Market could just be chopping around here, but so far so good, bro. So far it looks decent. Yeah, so far it looks extremely clean here.
Buy it into infinity. Buy it into infinite. Oh shit! Let me just. I should probably put an alert on that high when it gets taken, because it's gonna get taken.
Hopefully, it doesn't take forever, so we can just
So
see it.
now, how do we manage this trade, right? So when that high gets taken, are we gonna get wick closure, or are we gonna get a solid body closure? That's how you know whether it's gonna reverse or we're chilling.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
You would really just want to see a strong close through it. Ignore this high, like just go through it and reach for something higher, like previous weekly high, all-time high on ES. That's what you want to see.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
You need a
Cha-ching-chang.
strong close, bro. Here, let me.
There we go, bro. So now I'm gonna jump on the 1 minute. We gotta watch this swing high. Let's
Yeah,
see.
just go ahead and blast through it, please. Don't even acknowledge this. I don't want to see any wicks off of this. That'll be sad.
If it wicks it, we might have to just get out. And
Yeah, I was gonna
take our
say take your profit. Yeah. But break even is gonna be more logical just because it may wick and still never pull back. So break even is fair. I'm looking at how did this shift down here? Like, so this move right here was pretty.
Oh shit! Why is it doing that? I'm trying to show the project, like my Project X, but it's like it keeps like minimizing.
I think if you
it's annoying.
there it is. All right, we can see it now.
Yep. Yeah, I just went break even.
I was gonna say it looks like you're at break even.
Yeah.
As long as we can hold this, bro, I think we're good, man. I think it's gonna skyrocket here. Hopefully.
I think so too.
I'm looking at this bottom that we put in. I'm wondering, like, how is it so subtle? Like, there's no real signs of SMT at these lows. That's the interesting part. Typically, you get a very obvious SMT, but we don't seem to get that. Only
let's see how
low.
this 15-minute closes. Oh yeah, it's blast off time, baby. Oh
And
yeah.
it's 11 o'clock,
Yeah.
so
It's blast off time, bro.
this is typically where you get that 11, 12 o'clock window. You're supposed to see an expansion towards the real draw. I'm sure everyone's in longs at this point.
All day, bro.
Yeah, all day.
Closure.
Oh, look at that. Tanya's not online anymore. The other kid's offline.
Here we go. Blast off time. 15-minute
come on.
candle open.
Come on,
There we
kid.
go, guys.
I need to see a convincing move here. Come on. So far, so good, though. It's just slowly but surely trucking higher here. Really nice, really nice, really nice. There we go. Come on, keep pushing. You're there now.
It's blast off time, baby.
You are right.
All right.
there,
So
kid.
now, how do we manage this trade, right? So as you can see, NQ did NQ take the high?
Equal highs. From what I can see, Edge didn't take it yet. Super, super weird. Maybe on NASDAQ it took it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, no, it just hasn't taken it yet.
Hasn't taken it. Okay, that's fine.
I hate stuff like this, though. It's like it knows what you're looking at.
Yo, imagine at least equal highs and just runs all the stops out, and then it just says "F you."
It's sad because it can do whatever it wants. That's the sad part.
That's why I'm break even.
Man, don't do all
I
that, man.
I ain't trying to mess around with this price action, man.
I don't know how it did it, but it looks like this is yeah. I don't know. That first entry was pretty tough to catch, but the second entry here, this is a clean sweep of that 1053 low. SMT, market structure shift, fair value gap maintained. Yeah, that was clean. Yeah. I was wondering how like I could have maybe gotten in earlier, but that short, I would have taken that short every time. And then if it failed, it's almost like giving you the answer to the trade. We should take these highs. And at this point, you don't even want to be greedy. You just want to get a solid piece of this move, because if we're truly bullish, right, it's still within this 10 a.m. range. We haven't broken out yet, so that deviation level should be hit.
The way I look at it is look at the time. The time it's telling us everything, right? It's 11 o'clock. There's no reason why price should randomly reverse now. They should have reversed
It should
earlier.
have exactly. If it was gonna reverse, it had plenty of time to do so.
All right, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be right back. Give me like 5 minutes.
All right.
You can switch to your screen if you want, or mine, doesn't matter. All
right. Where we at? Transition. There we go, man. We need a rip here, guys. We need a rip just to make sense of today's action. Just to recap, so far we saw this massive SMT here off of this sweep right here. So this was the first sign for me to think exhaustion. From this high here, 1025, NASDAQ sweeps, ES doesn't, right? And then from there, you see price slowly work its way lower, which would have been after breaking this low. Break this low, and we get two areas of interest here. Boom, boom, boom. I'll make these red just for the sake of the drawing here. Two areas of interest. All right, you see NASDAQ held up pretty decent, the retest, but what we noticed was price really wasn't bearish. It was just retracing, right? And that's usually the $1 million question. Are we giving this beautiful SMT market structure shift and rejection here to actually trend lower? Or are we just giving this setup to tap into something bullish and then absorb the shorts and go back the other way, right? That's exactly what we saw. We saw a clean short signal here, followed by a little bit of selling pressure, and then it gets absorbed after price breaks 10 a.m. So once price broke 10 a.m. and then it started to flip here, this is where I'm like, all right, gave price a chance to go lower. If we're actually going somewhere, that's the question, right? Are we going to range here, or are we actually going to expand? That's the question we have to wait and see. But if we're doing our best to just get on the right side of the move here, the shorts had enough time to try and deliver. They fail. And with that failure, you want to see the bullish structure just hold up. It can take its time like it's doing, but you do not want to see bullish areas of interest start to fail based on what time it is. Oh yeah, that's not good. I need to see this hold up right here on ES. Come on. Make sure that there's no internal SMTs here. We took out this high. Oh my goodness. We got equal highs sitting here. Let's go get those. Equal highs sitting here, tapping back into this initial area of interest. I need to see some speed here. But yeah, so that's what I would draw up. I think if I were to see this setup again tomorrow, I probably would play it the same. The shorts off of here was pretty solid. If price wanted to expand lower, instead it just wanted to sweep out these lows here. Once that low is swept, you see price start to absorb and start flipping these bearish candles and then respecting these bullish bodies here. So I think we're on the right side now, officially. Just waiting. We keep seeing the same reaction out of this zone, but it hasn't expanded yet for whatever reason. All right, let's see if we can get this trend shift here. Where you see this SMT, right? You see how we have this drive underneath on ES. 1108 lows have been swept. NASDAQ did not sweep. That's a good sign, showing more signs of manipulation, more signs of exhaustion for the shorts. Now we wait patiently. Maybe we get a random spike here. I'm watching the news outlets just to be safe here. Man, you would think as bullish as price has been today, it wouldn't hang out in this area for so long. We have 7 minutes until a new 30-minute candle.
Yo, we're still chilling in this area?
Literally.
What the heck?
Literally, bro. We got one drive back into here. I'm assuming there's some sort of gap, maybe 2-minute gap. No. We got a decent drive back into this initial POI. SMT for ES. Equal highs over here on ES. So yeah, just keeping my eyes on this yellow box here. If we can maintain it, like I said, there's no reason to fear. And we take this high, I'll probably just move my stop above this box here for like tiny risk instead of going break even. Because this is pretty much the heart of the trade. That 1104 candle, I want to say. Yeah, 1104 bullish candle. 1103 for ES.
This price section is garbage. Well, also, bro, we've already moved 1.2% on the day on Nasdaq, so it makes sense why.
So 1.2% is that from midnight price or is that from 9:30? Oh, well, maybe it could be from 9:30.
No, that's from
midnight,
Sunday
right?
open.
Sunday's open.
Yeah, new candle. Sorry, not Sunday's open. New day open.
So midnight,
yeah.
I don't know, bro. We're starting to lose this level here on ES. I think I'm gonna cut my trade if we get back into. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, it's not looking good.
I don't want to see any more bearishness now. We're getting this hidden SMT. Bro, oh my goodness. I need to see some speed here. Otherwise, this is not it. Come on.
I'm just watching this 30-minute candle closure. If we can, it's still looking bullish, bro. I'm not cutting nothing. We need to see.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill this, bro.
But if we get this change in the state, that's crazy. It edged people like that with one tick.
Like, why though?
Dude, look at that.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
What's the high? 3925. 3 is what? Equal highs to the tick.
To the tick, bro. Here, yeah, I'll switch over to yours until I can find something that makes sense, bro.
Yeah, I'm break even, so you can just switch over on mine.
All right.
If I get stopped, I get stopped. I don't give a shit. The
Here it
stupid
goes.
Nasdaq. I've been trying to short it. It doesn't let me. It doesn't pay me. But then when I long it, it wants to play these games. Hell no, I ain't getting out.
Yeah, bro, this is being stupid. I like it if we can get back above here, bro. I hate when it just plays both sides, bro. There you go. Good job. I think I want to trade ES anyway. I got stop break even on my Nasdaq position. So
Let's go. There we go.
it keeps these stupid wicks, bro. 187. I'm looking for stop underneath here, 5 points.
So we're gonna need closure above these highs right here. Yeah. Oh, for the love of God. Could you just
It's playing
could you
around,
just
bro.
go?
All right, yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try these longs on ES instead. Hopefully it takes off as soon as I get in because I'm not really trying to deal with much drawdown after that first trade. Break even quick. I just don't like the fact that it is accumulating so much right here.
Yeah, this is some trash.
And it's almost
Tuesday,
11:30.
bro.
Actually, no, I think I'm done, bro. It's 11:30. Unless I'm in a trade, I am done. Yeah, I think I'm done, bro.
Yep.
Because I would have been stopped. Like I said, I got stopped break even on this Nasdaq position, so stopped at my entry.
Damn, this thing really doesn't want to go higher. Holy crap.
I think it's just killing time, but it's like, why would it be killing time unless it's once lower?
So I'm watching this ES 30-minute closure. We need to see it close higher.
Something's up. Let's see, man.
Something is up here.
I mean, you're good. You're at break even too. I got a worse field than you. I got filled around like 16, 17. So
Oh, that's why.
yeah,
That
I got
makes
filled
sense.
later. Here, I'll put your chart up right now. It's not the best trading day, bro. When you really just zoom out, we're still in the same range from 10 a.m. with the most obvious buy setup not delivering just yet. So it may just be a matter of time, and then it rips.
It's a good day to be break even or paper cuts.
Yeah.
You know. So this is my trade, and it's break even. We get stopped. We get stopped. So let's see. If we get this stopped, we get this stopped.
There you go. That's what you want to see from ES there. There you go. It should be good now. I think I want to take this, bro. Yeah. This is what you call a good reaction. 11:30 candle is about to take those highs. Then you got to go break even and then hope that it doesn't sell off after taking these highs. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I think I'm chilling.
Brother, I think you should stick to your game plan, stay
Yeah, I'm chilling.
disciplined. Yeah.
It's just a matter of like where I think price is actually headed. Right? If I think if we have a big target to hit, then it's okay to get in at like second stage, third stage, or whatever. But here it's like tricky to know like what is gonna happen after this high. So you need a good entry price.
Yeah.
Like, so yeah, your entry was pretty much, what do you say, 14-ish?
105.
Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, your entry is fabulous. So you can protect yourself and not really care what happens after that high. Here, I'm like, all right, if I want to get in here, it has to continue higher. Otherwise, I don't want it. and
I
it's
mean,
not.
yeah, but you at the same time you shouldn't be chasing. You know, like if it's not there, you're you trade the break and pullback, right?
Yeah, so it's still inside of the entry zone right now. It's like it hasn't invalidated the buy, and it's still right where I would want to buy it. So that's where I'm on edge.
Yeah.
Right in this
We-
what is it? That 104 candle I was talking about, 103. It's still tapping into that 104 body. That's the body I'm watching. We haven't closed underneath it. It's holding nicely. I would really want to buy this if it was before 11:30, but 11:30 is my cutoff. 11:30 offers a lot of manipulation at times. And
You
then
see this tomfoolery going on right now?
yeah, it's just wasting time.
The question is, what is it waiting for? Is it waiting to drop? We have an hourly fair value gap sitting right there for it to
Oh, wait.
retest.
There's an hourly gap.
Yeah, an hourly fair value gap sitting right there.
Oh, it hasn't. It closes in 27 minutes. ES.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it goes higher. It's just a matter of when. And yeah, I don't think I can trade this now. Yeah, it's to the point where, yeah, if we break this low here, it's over.
It's like the algorithm knows everybody's trying to go long here. Let's just mess all of them up.
Yeah, it's actually not. It left these equal highs. If you get here, let me erase this. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I can trade this again. I think it should have hit this high by now, bro.
Wow. Oh well, looks like it's gonna be a break-even day for me too. Should I take my $40 and call it a day? $40 on the day, chat. There you go. What up, Divish, my brother? I'm good, man. Just trading this garbage price action, trying to squeeze this lemon. Nothing really much going on besides just buy and close your eyes for the past couple weeks. How about you, man? Hope all is well. Beer day. I'm not taking trades. Look out. Yeah, bro. This is some straight garbage. No way. I told Rock, I was like, man, you should just stick to your game plan. Forget about FOMOing into trades. It's always another day. But also remember, this week is NFP week, so we have NFP. NFP weeks are always lethargic. Always. I've never seen a clean NFP week. Pre-NFP, of course. Yeah. You still trading with what firm was it? Funded Next? Or no. Aqua Futures was it? Yeah, Aqua Futures is good. Apex is thick. I got some with Apex. Lucid. Damn, why, bro? Aqua, they're not letting you. Yeah, I don't really know much about them. They seem like a legit firm, but not that many people are advocates for them. Oh, no way. 5% rule in a second pair. Bro, you should literally email the CEO and just cuss him out in the email. It'd be like, give me all my money back. I'm calling credit card fraud on you guys. Scammers. They screwed Top Step too, Divish. They screwed everybody.
Am I crazy or did I just get a spike alert? Oh no, no. Nasdaq rips this high, and there goes the selling pressure. Now it's like it was just almost immediately. What do you do here? Do we just rip this high and just keep going, kid? Because ES left these equal highs. There's no way it turns here, right? I would laugh. I would laugh.
Yeah, if we don't get closure above here, I'm just gonna cut this trade. If we don't get closure,
smart, yeah.
Because this is crazy how ES is way behind now.
Yeah, I don't get it at this point. Either it's just hiding the fact that it's bullish, or it's about to dump.
Yeah, this is about a dump, bro. I'm about to. Let me see how this 1 minute closes. If we get this 1 minute change in the state, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm done here too, bro. I'm just chilling right now, hoping that it follows through, but I don't see much that excites me here. Precise 1 minute wicks through this high, close back under it. Like, why, bro? If you're bullish, just enjoy your trip higher. Yeah, this looks like it's losing speed.
Yeah, I'm about to close this if we get this 1 minute change in the state.
Nasdaq did end up taking the lead though, so yeah, that's pretty good. Because ES was leading for a second.
All right, I'm out.
Did it give it to you? It didn't close through. At least not on my chart. Let me see.
It closed on my chart. All right, guys, we got out. Full TP. I'm out. I don't like that closure.
Facts. Yeah, I feel you, bro. That's a good.
Small W on the day.
It's a good way to wrap it up, bro. Because at this point, you really
Oh,
don't know.
closure. Yes, failing to show strength. ES failing to show strength. You know, the main reason why it's good to close this type of trade is because you have to understand it's not the right day for it to expand. Monday, Tuesdays are always like the BS days.
It really just depends, though, bro. Like, what is? Because we have NFP on Friday, right?
Yeah.
So, like, let's say NFP ends up being bearish, then you might get a nice expansion on Monday and Tuesday just because the market knows it doesn't really care about it. Friday will be the real move lower. So it really just depends on what the rest of like part of me believes the rest of the week is already planned out. The market knows where it wants to be by Friday or whatever.
Yeah.
So, but you're right. Yeah, there's no reason to continue holding this. I'll tell you that much. Regardless of how you feel about Friday, today is chop. We got a nice expansion to this high, and if you caught that, honestly, that might be the best trade of the session. Yeah, your entry at 105, can't beat that.
I think break even, bro, is the best way to go. Right away.
In fact, yeah, I'm sick of it. But I wouldn't have made too much off of this anyway because maybe what like
I made $200.
23 points.
10 combines. Sorry, not combines. 10 fundeds.
10 PA.
I think that's the best way to go. PAs, yeah, PAs.
You're right, yeah. Small wins across a big number of accounts. That's always going to be the best because you get so many swings. You get a ton of opportunities rather than going big, you know. But so far, this looks solid, bro. Like you can't really complain with the entries. The entries are solid for the buys, but the delivery is pretty slow.
Are you talking about the day? Like the day?
No, I'm saying like the buy setups that you called out, the ones that we pointed out today. These buying opportunities, they gave really good entries.
Yeah,
It's
I
just
agree.
the deliveries are kind of slow, but it's still early, bro. The one thing that, like I said, gets my attention is this weird sell-off that ES hasn't erased yet, but NASDAQ erased it immediately. Yesterday, we sold off at 11 a.m., swept this low. You get a clean sell-off on ES as well. They both take out the lows. And then now you see NASDAQ was able to make new all-time high. ES is on its way there. I think that has to be the draw unless we get some type of news to interrupt it. You know what I mean?
Well,
It may not hit today, like you're saying, though. Yeah, like you're saying, today may not be.
You have to think like a market maker. Okay, we both know it's clearly trying to take out previous weekly high on ES, but it's a Tuesday. What would make more sense for it to go and take it out on a Tuesday, or for it to smack everybody in the face Tuesday going into Wednesday and then take it up there Wednesday, Thursday, right? Or am I tripping?
No, yeah, you're right. You're right. It's just from my point of view, I would say the market tried to go lower a few times here this morning, and it just didn't. So maybe the smack in the face will be overnight. Maybe there's some type of objective for higher here in the New York session, which I think we're right. It's not going lower, bro. But it's so slow. Like you said, why get there today? It may just be one of those slow, very, very small trading moves today. And then you get the real push up maybe Thursday or Wednesday or Friday. You know what I mean? But as far as bias goes, the bias is still bullish today. Somehow.
Yeah.
Even though it's a Tuesday, it's still trying to go higher, but it's just not showing much urgency. Which, like you said, makes sense for a Tuesday. Why take it out today?
Yeah. I mean, I'm just thinking just simply if I was a market maker and how would I destroy everybody? I don't know. I mean, so many variables and possibilities, bro. Like, look at ES
Exactly.
now. ES,
Bro,
ES could go.
it's just playing games. I think it's just a slow grind, no urgency, but bullish. Because I don't see much bearishness. We left these equal highs here on ES. We left this
Yeah.
swing high here on ES. Nasdaq takes it out, pulls back, still looking bullish. It wouldn't surprise me if we just pop higher. Because part of me, if you ask me, bro, part of me thinks NFP is gonna be bearish. That's what I would assume. I would say this week's gonna be bearish to end the week.
To end the week?
Yeah, just because of how bullish we've been, and the job reports haven't been good for the past few months. So I think we get like a bearish Friday or something stupid like that. Could be wrong, but why else would we be so bullish here? That's what I'm thinking. Like Monday was that news event, but then overnight we immediately erased that news event, telling me that that was not a part of the plan, right? It was just a reaction, and then you get this strong recovery, bro. Look at that, bro.
That's crazy, huh?
It's ridiculous, bro.
God, look at this goddamn thing. Ah, fuck you, Nasdaq.
Look at it, bro. Like it almost just wanted to get people out of their buys.
Hey man, at least we stayed disciplined.
Yeah, it's that
Trading's not
simple,
about
bro.
winning.
Have your area of interest, get in, maybe go break even. If you can get in where you want to get in, go for it. But if it takes off or if it wants to chop,
Yeah.
break even is fair. Hey, bro, stop.
Live streaming is so fun when you have someone else to talk to. I don't know how the hell you do this all alone.
Bro, I'll be locked in, bro. Like I'll be locked in. It's like the markets are talking to me. Like a lot of the times, bro, you can see exactly what's happening. Like even today, like you saw where the market wanted to attempt to go lower. You saw where the market failed to go lower, and now you're seeing this slow grind higher. That's the only thing we could ask for is like a faster delivery higher, but it's definitely delivering higher, right?
Yeah.
But the
Just
market's
in a
talking
very
to me, bro.
lethargic way. Very
Exactly, yeah.
lethargic way.
Very lethargic, but the markets are telling us, I want to go higher, higher, higher.
It doesn't. It doesn't. Yeah, but I guess yeah, that's a good way to put it.
It's just slow. Like it's not like weak. It's yo, what's wrong? This little boy. But yeah, I'll probably just leave a stream up. I really want to see how this session ends up closing around like lunchtime. See if we end up taking this high or not. But that's pretty much it for today. Definitely good entry from Obi. I want to say
day,
it was
bro.
104.
Yeah.
I got stopped on the shorts earlier, so that was like $400 right there. And then I got break even on the buy, which kind of like I could have held the buys, but this was a hard hold, especially after this chop here. So ideally, these are the conditions where it's like I don't expect to make much money in. You know what I mean? So win or loss, these are tough.
Of course, it gives us these shitty conditions when we stream.
Yeah,
Nasdaq.
Yeah, it'll be all right though, because as long as we can just find some volume once or twice this week, it'll be game over. Easy money.
Yeah. Dude, I can't wait, bro. Dude, I promise you, we can crack like more money than these streamers if because the way we trade, bro, it's undeniably look how consistent we are compared to everybody else.
Bro, yes. The hardest part is, like I said, just avoiding days like this, but you can't really avoid them. You either, get break even or you take a loss on days like this. That's like, there's no in between unless you don't take a trade. But if you see your setup on a day like this, you don't know if it's going to chop like this. So it's either going to be break even or small win or a loss.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's out of our hand to be able to predict that. All we can do is wait, be patient, be disciplined, wait for a setup and take it and be content.
Exactly, yeah.
You know?
This is kind of, let's see what oil's up to. Oil's definitely weak. Trending lower here. Pushing back towards that weekly open. You got NASDAQ chopping. I don't know if I actually want to sit around and watch this though. It's not even.
Oh no, I'm out of here. I mean, small W for the stream.
Facts,
I tried my best.
Yeah. I'm hoping for something exciting to make this like, oh, okay, good job, you guys. The market actually gave us a nice rally eventually, but it looks like it's over.
We'll stream more, bro. We'll get some more W's in the chat.
Really, let me look at tomorrow. What's on the table for tomorrow?
Streaming?
Yeah. Tomorrow should be the highlight of the week. If Monday was that bad, and then you see today was
terrible.
Yeah. So maybe Wednesday, Thursday should be the highlights.
I mean, I'm trading every day this week. If I can hop back on the stream.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, tomorrow's fine, bro. Jump in tomorrow. We have nothing tomorrow. We have USD ADP employment change at 8 a.m., which is not NFP, but I guess NFP Junior. So that'll be some good red folder activity, pre-market. So yeah, tomorrow, jump in tomorrow, bro. Same time, 9:20, 9:30-ish. And let's see if we can catch some volume,
crazy,
bro. Yeah, we need some volume, man.
Yeah, just send me the link around like 9:15-ish.
All right, yeah, I got you, bro. Catch you then, brother.
All right, bro. It was nice speaking to you, bro. Always a pleasure to come chat with you.
Same, bro. Yeah, let's dominate this week, man.
Hell yeah, bro. Let's dominate it. See you, brother.
All right, later,
God
bro.
Bless.
Later. Bless. Boom, boom, boom. Trading, bro. Let's go. That's fire. That's fire. Yeah, that's like the ultimate goal for Aqua, to get to that uncapped payout. And it's only 3 payouts, I want to say, right? Yeah, I think 3 payouts and then boom. It's go time. Yeah, that's the best way to go. Once you get there, small trades and completely milk mode. But yeah, I'm not sure what you guys had going today, what your take was on price, but yeah, we saw decent opportunities for the buys. This high right here is the ultimate draw, to be honest, because price can reverse after taking it out, right? But we saw early in the session that price just refused to go lower. You know what I mean? Like, where's 9:30? 9:30 rips, 10 a.m., slight pullback, fills in that gap, rips, maintains this area here. This was the first area of interest for longs here. First area was here. Right, we got this drive. Wait, now that I look at it, what was here? Okay, yeah, we had that sell signal that fails, right? And then it pushes higher 10:30. Oh, that's what it was. That's what it was. I was gonna look to buy this, right? The key was we had taken out this high. So I wanted to get extra confirmation, and we started to get exhaustion off of this high here. We started to get SMT, so that kind of threw me off the buys. Okay, I get it now. Yeah, we had this shift higher, but it takes the high, so I'm looking for a reversal. Potentially, we started showing reversal signals, yet we still were unable to break this zone, right? With this zone holding, you start looking for buy signals. Your first buy signal was right here, and it's still holding. Like this would have been my trend shift every single day of the week. Boom, boom, boom. Now it just looks like the market is just edging. Not really interested in doing much. But if we kill that, this trend shift right here, this yellow zone right here was the key to this trade. Really nice, really nice. And there we go. Now you're starting to see this retrace, which really doesn't verify much. You're starting to see that prices. There we go. That's what you want to see if we're going to sell off. But all in all, not bad. I would say that if you were bullish, your ideal entry price would have been somewhere in this candle here. I think Obi got the 104 inside of this nice displacement candle here. Nice, right? Nice candle range here. And then the second stage would have been here. And then from there, you just maybe hold it to this high, but this is just not the criteria for an expansion. This looks like choppy chop, choppity and chop, chop, chop. So I'm gonna chill there. I took a loss on the failed short here. Break even on the buy. And nothing else really even makes sense at this point. So let's hope tomorrow is a lot more volume. Maybe a little bit more of a trend, right? But we're chilling. We're chilling. Let's see what tomorrow has for us. You guys take care. Be smart. These markets are really just like, even if you were to buy here, which would have been a drive into here and a turn. So let's just say you bought it there, stop underneath here. I think I did, right? It was like 25 points or something silly like that. You barely hit 1R. Like you didn't even make much on this trade before it stops you at break even here or something of that nature, right? So even though this trade may have been pretty textbook, the risk to reward is absolutely garbage because of the delivery. So on a day like this, there really isn't much going on. You're not making too much money. All right. So all in all, I think today was pretty decent. I wouldn't complain about my entries here. Especially with this closure here, I would have loved to short this every time. Sell signal, respect the area of interest, closure. Yeah, I would have shorted that every single time. And then I would have longed this one every single time as well. A nice push here. Yeah. But I'll check back later in the chat, see if this ends up doing anything. Does it sell off? Does it buy? Take some notes on that. But for now, I am out of here. It's 12 o'clock. Perfect. Yep. You guys be safe, man. Let me know if you guys end up trading later. I'm about to shut this down. Cool. See you guys tomorrow at 9:30. Pray for some clean deliveries for the rest of the week. Monday and Tuesday, scrap days. Drop this disclaimer and we are out of here. All right. Later.